In this video, I want to show you how to fix application that appears in taskbar but does not appear or restore to desktop. Let me show you, for example, how it happens and how to solve it. If I come here, I have opened this software, but if I click on it, it appears on the taskbar but refuse to maximize. So I've tried all the possible best, but it's not coming up. So I will show you in two ways how to solve it. So the first thing to do is to right click here and open Task Manager. When it's open, here scroll down and look for Window Explorer. Scroll down to the bottom, you will see Window Explorer with yellow icon. Here is it. This is Window Explorer. So then right click it and click on Restart. Yes, it has restarted your Window Explorer. Then close this page. Now start the application again. Let me start it. Now it has started, but it's not working. It's pinned it to the taskbar, but it's not restoring to the desktop. So the second way to do it is this. Come back to this empty space, right click. You can see lock the taskbar. Uncheck it. Once you uncheck it, then at this point, just place your cursor on the icon. Then come to this place, right click, and you can see maximize. Click on it. You can see that it has maximized it. So you can see that it has solved the problem. So if I now click on minimize and come back here and click on maximize, you can see that it has worked perfectly. If after doing this, it doesn't work again, it's still not working, this is what to do. Come back to this taskbar, right click, and here, if this cascade windows is active, then click on it. In my own case, it's not active. If it is active, click on it. It will help you to restore the particular software that is hiding. But essentially, these are the two basic way of doing it. Let's know in the comment section which one of it work for you.